Assalamu alaikum. This is Tofail Haidar, ECC student for a semester. So we have a assignment to submit a software. We have decided to develop a URL shortener application based on PHP Laravel. So we successfully completed our task. So here is I am going to present our software. First of all, I want to introduce our feature, what type of feature we have in this application. So in this application, it's a simple URL or shortener application. So here I have some, and user can create a shorten URL from a long URL, then share to other person. And also when he create URL shorten URL, he user can set access key like password or its expiry date. And if he set password, then someone when someone going to visit this URL, he must have to provide the secret key also. That's the main feature. And also we have additional some feature like when any user create his URL shortened application, and if someone visited his URL, he will get some earning from certain amount for per unique visitor. And also there have some referral option, user authentication or authorization system, and withdraw system. Here is the all list we in, all described in readme file. So I'm going to show you the interface. So here is the landing page. So let's log in as a uh, administrator, system user. Here you can see a dashboard. There have some statistics data like total visitor for this month. You can see the this month how many user visited through our application. You can see there have 301 total user, total visitor, and within 200 301, uh, 140 was unique and 161 was a repeated user. And that means if a visitor visited same URL more than one time within one day, that will count repeated visitor. And there have some earning statistics and withdrawal processing. And so you can see visitor statistic with for per day. Here was the total statistics for this month, and here we can see per day, like August 1 there was 20 total visitor, and but within 20 10 visitor was a unique visitor. Here you can see all the statistics, and also uh, total earning for per day. Here is the this dashboard for all over the application. And it can be happened that admin also created some URL and he is sharing with someone, and someone visiting his shortened URL. So here is his for only this strategy is for only you admin. Here is you same statistics, just change the data, all are same. And now here comes the our main feature, URL shorten system. Here you can see we have some pre-populated data, demo data. So now we are going to create a real shorten URL, like uh, let's copy our GitHub link, repository link. So we are going to set any name, like GitHub link. We are going to we can set any name here. That's it's a identifier, nothing else. And then we are going to paste our original URL, which is going to be shortened URL. So let's set any password like 1234, and then expiry date. If I can set, if I want to set any, and status will be definitely have to be active. If we can, we can also set inactive. That means when any URL will be inactive, then nobody can access this URL, shorten URL. Okay, let's create this. Okay, so here is our GitHub link name. So here is our original URL. So here is a shortened URL. So let's copy this URL. Already, when I clicked this button, already copied this in our keyboard. So let's paste it here. We are going to visited our shortened URL. So here you can see here has a application domain, and then a random string. So let's visit our. So as you can see, we have set a protection uh, access key. So I have to provide this access key if I want to redirect to the original URL. So I set 1234. Let's proceed this. Let's see. Already I visited to original URL. So here is the feature. If let's I change this protection. I don't want to set any protected access key. So let's remove this and set this. Now here you can see any access key. There is no any access key. So if I again visit this URL, let's see. It will not ask for any access key. Direct redirect to our original URL. Here is the feature, and then let's we change the status. Now if we visit this again, look here, I have the error showing error of URL not found. Here is our main feature actually. So then here I will also a QR code. If you scan this QR code, you can find the shortened URL also, and you can share to anybody to anywhere. Then he can scan this QR code and redirect to original URL. And then here is also statistics for again total unique user, how much balance he has, withdraw request with the processing, and here is at a glance statistics. And when he is a super admin, so he has some additional menu also like setting. Uh, he can set some setting for this application, and as admin he can see all the user list here. Now there have only 3 users, and also can add any new user, and any some as I had there have also some additional feature.